How's it everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. Firstly, I must apologize for the lack of content recently. Things have been extremely busy at work and I haven't really had a chance to record anything or to even work on a car for that matter. But hopefully things will be back to normal now again and I'll be able to start uploading some fresh content. To the new subscribers, thank you guys so much for your support, really appreciate it. Later today I'm actually going to be making my way through to Rudy of Hooligan Concepts, who's going to be building my custom cold air intake. It's something that I have discussed with him previously and 2 years later it's finally being done, so really looking forward to that. I just need to still finish up with what I'm busy with here at work, but I will catch up with you guys later at Rudy's. For now, cheers.
Ding loop met 'n S. Nou ek probeer maar gewoonlik so reg as moontlik hou.
Okay.
Dat dit nou maar lyk looks the part, you see. Waar sê jy filter weer?
Nee, ek wil die filter hier hê.
Okay.
En die pyp moet nou reg afgaan.
Okay.
So it's a couple days later. Rudy has just dropped off my cold air intake. This thing is looking so good. I love what he has done with it. I'll put a picture right here for you guys to take a look. But for now, let me just get to the car and start installing, and then I can show you guys how it looks once fitted. Okay, quick update. I've just completed installing the cold air intake pipe. So you guys can see it looks amazing. I've also had to relocate my clutch slave reservoir. So I've used the bracket that came with the carbon intake and bent it so that I could put it onto or mount it onto the existing reservoir bracket, and I've relocated it slightly back. So as you can see, this was the original mounting point, and this right here is the new or at least the old bracket with a relocation done. Sitting slightly skew, so I'll probably just adjust it a little bit still, but I am loving how this looks. Big shout out to Rudy of Hooligan Concepts. If you guys need to have any stainless steel fabrication work done, then do hit him up. His pricing is really convenient, and quality of work is excellent. And that's it for this vlog. I finished up everything. I'm going to be preparing to leave on Nasrec in a couple of days for the German versus Jap show. Really looking forward to that, and I will record some of that content as well, and hopefully it's going to be a big success. But until then guys, have a good one. I will see you around in the next vlog. Take it easy. Cheers.